Hello everyone. Now let us discuss how to write maxima programs to verify Euler's theorem and also how to find Jacobian. Now first let us discuss how to verify Euler's theorem. Suppose if the given function is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, we knew that Euler's theorem is applicable for homogeneous functions. If the given function is homogeneous, then we knew that x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y must be equal to n into u, where n is the degree of homogeneity of the function. Now, suppose here the given function is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Let's assign this one to u. And as we know that we have to find dou u by dou x, let us find ux, which contains differentiation of u with respect to x, and uy, which is dou u by dou y. So uy contains differentiation of u with respect to y, and we know that this function is a homogeneous function of degree 2, so your n is 2. Now, what is the left hand side of Euler's theorem? It is x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y. After finding this, we need to rationally simplify this. Otherwise, sometimes you may not get the required answer because sometimes right hand side must be in the simplified form, which may not be equal to the left hand side. That's why we use a rational simplification of x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y. That is your LHS, store it in the LHS, and your RHS is a rational simplification of n into given function u. Now, we know that if LHS, that is x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to n into u, then print Euler's theorem is satisfied, else print Euler's theorem is not satisfied. So, if you execute this program, then you'll get your given u is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Your partial differentiation of u with respect to x. If you partially differentiate this with respect to x, we knew that our y is constant, therefore derivative of by square is 0. 2hy is constant, derivative of x is 1, so 2hy will remain, plus a is constant, derivative of x square is 2a. Similarly, partial derivative of u with respect to y is derivative of y square is 2y into b, so 2by plus 2hx, derivative of y is 1 plus derivative of ax square is 0. Now, n value, that is degree of homogeneity, is 2. Next, your LHS, that is x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y, after rational simplification, is 2by square plus 4hxy plus 2ax square. And RHS, that is rational simplification of product of n and u, is 2by square plus 4hxy plus 2ax square. Remember, here your LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, Euler's theorem is satisfied. Similarly, we are given another problem. If u is equal to tan inverse of x cube plus y cube divided by x minus y, then verify Euler's theorem. So your u is tan inverse, that is arc tan of x cube plus y cube whole divided by x minus y. Now partially differentiate this with respect to x and differentiate with respect to y. This is dou u by dou x, this is dou u by dou y. Now find left hand side of Euler's theorem, that is rational simplification of x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y. And right hand side is a rational simplification of, right side is sine 2u. Since this is trigonometric function, you have to use trig expand. If you expand it, then only you can get the answer in the required form. Trig expand of sine of 2, that is degree of homogeneity, into u, the given function. So you'll get LHS and RHS. If they are equal, then print Euler's theorem is satisfied. Else print Euler's theorem is not satisfied. So this is how you can verify the Euler's theorem. Now let's move on to Jacobian. We knew that Jacobian is a determinant of Jacobian matrix. That is Jacobian matrix, which is nothing but collection of all partial derivatives of all the functions with respect to all the variables. So suppose u is x square minus 2y and v is equal to x plus y, then find Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. We know that it is nothing but determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. First row and second row. So we need to find the determinant of that. So first let us find out Jacobian matrix. What is Jacobian matrix? The built-in command is Jacobian of. Jacobian of what? U and V. That should be given in the square bracket, separated by a comma, square bracket, the derivatives, variables x comma y. This gives you Jacobian matrix. And D is determinant of this Jacobian matrix. That is our, D is our Jacobian. See, that is what we are printing. So your Jacobian matrix is partial derivative of u with respect to x, u with respect to y, v with respect to x, v with respect to y. See, partial derivative of u with respect to x square is 2x. Partial derivative of u with respect to y is minus 2. Partial derivative of v with respect to x is 1. Partial derivative of v with respect to y is 1. Now find the determinant of this. 2x into 1, 2x, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus into minus plus 2, that is our Jacobian, D. So in this fashion, you can find the Jacobian. Suppose, if x is r sin theta cos phi, y is r sin theta sin phi, and z is r cos theta, then find the Jacobian of xyz with respect to r theta phi. So our x is given and assigned. We know that theta should be written like this, and phi is a built-in function, so we have to give percentage phi. And j is Jacobian of x, y, z in square bracket, comma, with respect to variables r, theta, phi. And d is, see, we had given trigonometric simplification here. If you are not going to give trigonometric simplification, it will keep the answer as it is. If you put trigonometric simplification, it gives a beautiful result, which is simplified one. Trig simp of determinant of j, that is determinant of Jacobian matrix. That is your r square sin theta. So this is how you can find the Jacobian of the given functions. Thank you.